Hello guys, today is windy. Just look at it, it's just strong and big. So today is Sunday. I really love it. Sunday, so I can play on my phone. Yeah. I feel really cold because of these. Imagine. How about you, everyone? What do you do on Sunday? Of course, play with your toys or sleep well so you can be your own. Or if you want to do something else on Sunday, you could just sleep like Sleeping Beauty or watch cartoons. We could go also to the church. The kids are not allowed because a police officer will see us and then they'll be angry, but not angry. Catch us. Yeah, like a fish. Happy Sunday, everyone. God bless. Love you.